This video is part of the Building a Simple App chapter in the IOTA for Flutter tutorial. It demonstrates the creation of the simple app for iOS. The process is very similar to the macOS workflow shown in the previous video. I can skip the initial steps where I generated the Rust Xcode project since it's already set up. What I do now is creating the sub-project inside the runner project. After adding the sub-project through drag and drop, I add the static library to the target dependencies and also select it as a linked binary. The rest of the process is done in Visual Studio Code. I open the runner bridging header H file and import our generated header in the second line. Similar to macOS, I also need to add the dummy method to ensure that the app calls our library at startup and doesn't treat it as dead code. Next, I generate the code specific to iOS. The header file has been created. Before launching, I start the iOS simulator. I start the app and then I will enter a quick test case. It's a good sign when the app returns to the homepage. Let's check it in Tangle Explorer. Perfect, that's as expected. Lastly, as shown in the macOS video, I will also demonstrate the location of the application documents directory. You will find the Hive files there, where I store my local calls. To find the correct simulator file, I search locally for my app ID. Here are the files located. We made it. We've reached the end of the chapter on building a simple app with Flutter and Rust for the Shimmer network. Thank you for your interest. I hope you'll also check out the other chapters of the tutorial. Bye.